Today I'm going to give you tips to help you with your dancing. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Cheryl Ale. I'm here with Revolutionary Principles of Movement, that's RPM. Today we're going to go into tips for turning, so follow me. Hi, we're here for tips on turns, balance, releve, and rotation. First we start with balance. You have to stay in the center of your body. So centripetally, you're still and aligned with the forces and the motivation. Rotation, you have to be also in the center of your body. You need to be zipped up, which creates the balance, which creates the center of gravity. And then you have the releve. So when you are releveing, you bring everything together, the balance, the rotation, and the releve pushing down through the floor and up through your body. And then with that, that conjures the spiral. I hope that helped you. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and put your comments below, and I'll see you next time.